Last night's episode 36, began with Eugene profusely apologizing to Sola for his actions. However, Sola remained unforgiving. She reminded him that his fame stemmed from the very drama she had written, a script crafted with immense difficulty despite her own pain from Jinwoo's betrayal. Eugene, despite his apologies, felt lost and bewildered by the truth of events. He confessed to being swept along by circumstances, unsure how he had arrived at this point in his life. Sola, however, saw his explanation as mere excuses. Suddenly, Sola's anger subsided. She admitted to understanding Eugene's struggles, but also shared her own burdens. She sought a hug from him, believing only he could ease her pain. As they embraced, Jurion witnessed the scene, her anger flaring. She demanded to know Sola's significance to Eugene. Sola, however, left them both. Later, Jurion approached Eugene, apologizing for her outburst. She acknowledged her hasty actions, suggesting she should have waited for Eugene to truly sympathize with Sola before announcing their engagement. When she inquired about his feelings for her, Eugene remained silent. His silence spoke volumes, revealing his lack of love for her. Jurion, accepting this truth, declared that his love was not essential. All she desired was to remain by his side, patiently working to earn his affection. Meanwhile, Solas confided in Hyunwoo, revealing her true feelings for Woojin, hatred. She was encouraged by his engagement announcement and in the midst of their ongoing drama, perceiving it as a display of arrogance fueled by his newfound fame. She also criticized his declining acting skills. Hyunwoo agreed with her assessment. The following day, Sola awoke to a terrifying sight. Threatening messages scrawled across her walls, furniture, and belongings. Panic-stricken, she contacted Hyunwoo and her uncle and aunt. Upon arriving at her house, they calmed her down. Her uncle and aunt took her to their home, while Hyunwoo reported the incident to the police. However, the police, bribed by Tae-jang, dismissed the case. Tae-jang, it turned out, had orchestrated the threat, sending a man with a spider tattoo to terrorize Sola while she slept. Fortunately, Sola had installed CCTV cameras in her house. Reviewing the footage with Hyunwoo, they identified the perpetrator's spider tattoo. They presented the evidence to the police, but their efforts were futile, as the corrupt officer remained unmoved. The episode concluded with Tae-chang's growing fury towards Jongin. He was enraged by the drama script Sola had written, recognizing its uncanny resemblance to the real-life hardship she had inflicted upon Sola and her father. He threatened to withdraw his investment from Jongin Entertainment if the script wasn't altered. Jongin, unwilling to risk losing his support, contacted writer Yoon to replace Sola. Sola, aware of the writer's replacement, confronted Jongin, accusing her of orchestrating the threats. She believed no one else could be cruel enough to carry out such a malicious act. That's the end of our recap for episode 36. Thank you for watching.